In this video, I will be showing you step by step how to make a Tumbler design in Canva. I will also be showing you a platform that if you want, you could upload that design on and you could start selling your Tumbler online for completely free. This is a beginner friendly tutorial on how to use Canva to make a Tumbler design and also how to sell it on Printify. So once on canva.com, you're going to tap on the search bar, and from here I simply want you to type in Tumbler, and you can see it right there. So let's do that. After you have done that, you can see the different options. So you have insulated tumbler, and you can see the size. You have wine tumbler, acrylic tumbler, and then you can see these are tumbler banners, and we would do that. We just want the tumbler right here. So we are going to be selecting any one of these three options. So let's say, for example, we were to select insulated tumbler. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll be provided with numerous templates that you can choose from. So you can see the various templates right here. Keep in mind that these templates, all you need to do is simply select it, and then from there you can add your own personal touches. And that is why I definitely recommend Canva for beginners, as it is easy to use and it will save you a lot of time and money by simply picking one of these templates and quickly editing it. So you can scroll down until you find a template of your liking, and as you can see, there are numerous templates that you can pick from. Let's say, for example, I want to use this template. All I would need to do is simply select it. Then I'll tap on customize this template. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can see how it looks right here, and you can add any other thing you would like. So you can see that this is a fitness theme tumbler. It's not a dad bod, it's a father figure. And you can see right there, and this would be perfect, for example, for Father's Day, or for a tumbler that you are making for your father, or to start selling to fathers, as you can see right here. But let's say, for example, you would like to add some other form of fitness product, or you would like to add a pic of a father or so on. All you'll need to do is simply tap on elements from the top left hand corner. Then from there, we're going to type in man. So we're going to type in man right here, and we're going to look on the different options that we have. After doing that, you can tap on graphics, and from here we'll be provided with some copyright free graphics. So let, for example, I were to type in muscular man. So let's see right there. Let's see what are the options that appear, and you can see the different graphics right there. So you can see the different graphics option, and you can select one of these. So let's say, for example, I were to select this one. After selecting it, what I would recommend you do is, let's say I would like to use this as a background, basically a slight background. All I would need to do after selecting the image, I could tap on the three dots. Then I'm going to tap on set image as background, and you can see it right there. You could set it as a background if you want, or what you could also do is you could minimize it. So I could minimize it probably, and then from there I could simply remove something. So you could probably remove, for example, let's say I want to remove something. Let's say I want to remove the water bottle or so on. You could do that. So I could simply tap right here and remove this, and I could add him right here. Just cut down on the size, and I could add him right there. And you can see how it looks. Once you're finished customizing it to your liking, better yet, all you'll need to do is tap on share in the top right hand corner, then tap on download, then you'll tap on download once more. Once it has been downloaded, all you'll need to do now, you can go onto printify.com. Once on printify.com, you're going to be creating an account, and all you'll need to create your account is your email address. After you have created your account, you'll be redirected to this page. And the first thing I want you to do is go over to the top left hand corner where you see Meow 12 on my screen. You're going to tap right there. After doing that, you can tap on add a new store. And from here, you can see the different platforms that you'll be able to add Printify on. So you can add it on Etsy, Shopify, TikTok US, eBay, Squarespace, Wix, WooCommerce. There are numerous options. But the option that we'll be using in this example is Printify Pop-Up. Printify Pop-Up is the option to create your own website using the Printify platform. So all we need to do, for example, we can type in and call our store Dad Store. So let's see if that is available. So we'll call it Dad Store Test. Then once it is available, you can type in your country right here. After doing that, you'll tap on Next and you'll be redirected to the themes page. And from here, you can select any one of these themes. So let's say I were to select this one, then tap on Launch Pop-Up Store. After you have done that, you'll tap on the X in the top right hand corner to close out. Then you're going to select Catalog from the left hand menu option. And we're going to select Bottles and Tumblers right below Home and Living. And from here, you can choose your target market. So let's say, for example, our target market is USA. After you have done that, you can select any one of these options. And you can see that the price varies and also the style and size varies, as you can see right there. Now, let's say, for example, the one that I would like to use is, let's say, this one. So I'm going to be selecting this. Then after doing that, you're going to tap on Start Designing. Once you have tapped on Start Designing, all you'll need to do now, you can go over to the left hand menu option, tap on Upload, select My Device. After selecting My Device, you're going to select the Tumbler design that you had created. Then tap on Open to see how it looks. After you have done that, you could tap on Preview in the top right hand corner to preview how it would look. And you can see it right there. So you can see the front, the back, and you can also see the left hand side. If we were to tap on left hand, you can see right hand. You can see how it would look opened, and you can see how it would look close up by tapping on Close Up, as you can see right there. Then we're going to tap on Save Product in the bottom right hand corner. After tapping on Save Product, from here you can select which handle you would like to be the main mock-up. So you can see at the moment it is the front, but if you like it to be opened, you can do that by tapping on Open right there. Then you can scroll down, and from here you could edit the product description, and you can also edit the product title. You can also set your price, but normally it would be set at 40% profit margin. So for example, it will be selling for $34.60 and you'll be making $13.84. If you like to change that, all you'll need to do is simply tap on Select All, and from here you could edit the price right there, or edit your profit margin. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Publish in the bottom right hand corner. After tapping on Publish, you can see that the product is being added to our store. Once the product has been added, all you'll need to do now, you're going to see Published, then you're going to tap on the three dots, and you're going to tap on See in Store. After tapping on See in Store, you can see it right here. Now all you'll need to do is simply copy your store URL, and you can start promoting it, or you can start sharing it with individuals, and they will come onto your store, make a purchase, and you'll start making money. You don't have to deal with customer care, or you don't have to worry about delivery and shipping or anything like that. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. And by the way, you can add other products onto your store in the future if you want. Thanks for watching.